The outside of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Motorhome is likely to resemble this, as the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter is a highly popular platform for motorhome conversions. The appearance of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Motorhome will primarily depend on the body shop or modifier performing the motorhome conversion, because Mercedes-Benz sells the Sprinter as both a commercial van and a cab chassis. Nonetheless, some commonalities and patterns are predictable. It will probably keep the sleek, streamlined lines and contemporary, aerodynamic appearance of the current generation Sprinter, W907/W910. The recognizable 3-star emblem on the Mercedes-Benz front grille. For the 2026 model year, the grille and bumper will probably see some modest design modifications. As more sophisticated lighting features and more integrated designs become feasible, LED lights will proliferate. The ultimate design of the motorhome will be influenced by the range of lengths and roof heights that are available. To increase headroom and create more sleeping spaces, a permanent high roof or pop-up roof is a common addition to Sprinter motorhome conversions. This roof's design will be altered to meet your preferences and taste. For the living area's natural light and ventilation, side and back windows will be built. The windows will differ in size and style. The major access element will continue to be a sliding side door. For air circulation, roof vents, also known as skylights, will be widespread. To transport camping equipment, extra storage boxes, cargo boxes, can be added to the sides or back. Some RVs have a rear bike rack and a ladder for roof access. Awnings, a common element for creating a sheltered area outside, will be retractable awnings. Solar panels are being installed on the top of an increasing number of RVs in order to charge extra batteries. It can be possible to get more fashionable alloy wheels and tires that are appropriate for various driving situations. For external customization, body suppliers frequently provide a wide range of color and graphic possibilities. The interior will be planned with many uses and space optimization in mind. A kitchen, an optional restroom, storage space, and a seating area that doubles as a bed are typical configurations. The mattress, it might be a Murphy bed that folds out from the wall or ceiling, a bed that is fixed in the back, or a bed that is integrated into the seating area. Configurations and sizes will differ. A stove, gas or induction, sink, refrigerator, various sizes, microwave, and storage for food and cooking utensils may be included in the kitchen, depending on the size of the motorhome. Comfortable seats and a dining table, either fixed or foldable, may be included in the dining space. Larger RVs could have a complete bathroom with a shower, sink, and toilet. The sole features of smaller variants can be a separate shower room or a portable toilet. Keeping areas like shelves, cabinets, and drawers that are ingeniously made to hold clothing, camping supplies, and other possessions. Making use of the area above the headboard and beneath the bed is crucial. System of entertainment, an audio system, a flat-screen TV, and electrical device connection. Additional deep cycle batteries, an inverter, optional solar panels, and a power management system are needed to power the motorhome's appliances. For kitchen and bathroom requirements, there are clean and filthy water tanks with water pumps. LED illumination, interior lighting that is both efficient and adaptable. For thermal and acoustic comfort, insulate the walls, floors, and roofs. Air circulation is provided by roof vents and windows with blinds or shades. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Motorhome may be equipped with the following engines. The 2.0-liter 4-cylinder diesel engine, OM654, is probably going to come in a number of power levels, such as 150 PS, 110 kilowatts, with about 330 Nm of torque, probably for lighter or more efficient models, 170 PS, 125 kilowatts, with about 400 Nm of torque, probably a more popular option, and 190 PS, 140 kilowatts, with about 440 Nm of torque, probably for larger motorhomes or those needing more performance.